Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with D. Myself Hariraj Malu, and today we will try to know what are assignment operators. So let's get started. What are assignment operators basically? Basically, what like in the math we do, it is greater than, it is smaller than, that only. So if we have to give a condition that a integer or a string is equals to uh, another string or an integer, like we have to put double is equals to. So when we are putting double is equals to 4, now it will return true because this condition is true. What happens that when we put this sign, the computer compares this value and this value, these value are equal or not. If we write is equals to 3, then it is false. We all know 4 is not equal to 3. So it can be a string also, like Dharya is equals to Dharya. So it is true that this string is equal to this string. So there are more operators. So I am writing all the operators that great. It is called smaller than is equals to. Like this check two condition. What, like the first number is smaller than the second number or it is equal to the second number. For example, first I am writing all. This is greater than is equals to this. This is greater than. This is smaller than. So it will give an error because I have not written appropriate. So let's try this. Greater than smaller than is equals to. So 4 is smaller than or is equals to 3. So now computer will tell us that, like 4 is smaller than 3. No, then it will jump to the second, like 4 is equal to 3. No, so both condition are false, then it will return false. And if only one condition is false, then it will return true. So we can write here. So when first the computer check this equation, like 4 is smaller than 5, yes, then it breaks the equation and it's directly return as true. Then when the first situation is true, it returns true. Second situation, it returns true. So let's take another example of greater than is equals to 3. So here computer is evaluating first, 4 is greater than 3, yes, it is breaking the equation and then it is returning us true. So we can write here also 4 is greater than is equals to 5. No, it is false because 4 is not greater than 5 and it is not equal to 5. So let's take, like it is very simple now, like 4 it is greater than 3, yes, it is true, and 4 is smaller than 3, false. 4 is not smaller than 3. So these were some assignment operators I wanted to share in this video. Till the next video, goodbye.